Hi there, I thought I'd share with you the Drysuit gloves I made for this season. I had a pair of medium-sized bottle wrist seals for the Drysuit which I hadn't used, so I glued them to a pair of extra large dishwashing gloves which are made by Ansell. You just trim the gloves down a bit so that the cuffs and the gloves fit nicely when they're on your wrist. I used a nappy sand bottle, or that like a nappy sand bottle from Aldi, and pulled the wrist seals down over it and used that as my form with the gloves. I used electrical tape to keep it all in place, sanded the surfaces with a bit of emery, and then wipe it down with some thinners to clean any oils and stuff off. I bought some Drysuit glue on eBay for around $56, and I gave each surface 4 coats of that, and just wait till it gets tacky, then add your next coat and repeat until you've got all that on, and then roll the 2 surfaces together and then run your roll around to force all the air out. And once you've done that, just put it aside for 24 hours and let it sit and let the glue do its job. So 24 hours later, you start working on it gently. Of course, you've stretched these wrist seals out from 45mm to 100, and they're good and tight. You don't want to tear it now, so you just gently encourage it off. I was a bit concerned about the durability of these gloves since they're not particularly tough, and I went to the hardware store and bought some workshop gloves which seem to do the job. They fit really nicely over the top, and the interesting thing you'll see with that is that you can take them off when you're underwater if you need the additional dexterity of the fine gloves, and you can also put them back on again, so it sort of increases the versatility of this dry glove system, so to speak. I also bought a pair of thermal liners for ski gloves, and I've been using that inside these gloves, and they keep my hands nice and warm. Mind you, we don't get particularly cold water here, so I don't think it's really going to be an issue. But I guess if it was colder, you'd just get thicker gloves. Make sure all your seals are good, everything's nice and well glued together. Yeah, a little fiddly to put on. I got cone seals on the Drysuit, and they go over the top of that bottle seal. I push a small piece of plastic tube up between the two so it can equalise the air nicely between the gloves and the Drysuit. Yeah, you see the thermal liner. They're a bit puffy, they've got a bit of air in them. Once you put the small tube through, all that drops out. There you go. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you give it a go. If you need any tips on where to buy the stuff, give us a call and I'll PM us and I'll get right back to you. But, thanks for watching.